Study smart, not hard is a popular phrase that emphasizes the importance of efficient and effective studying techniques rather than simply putting in long hours of effort without a strategic approach. The idea is to optimize your study habits to achieve better results in less time, leading to improved learning outcomes and reduced stress. Here are some tips to study smart. 1. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve with your study sessions. Having specific, measurable goals will help you stay focused and motivated. 2. Create a study schedule. Plan your study sessions in advance and allocate time for each subject or topic. This will help you maintain a balanced approach and avoid last-minute cramming. 3. Prioritize tasks. Identify the most important or challenging topics and focus on them first. This ensures that you dedicate enough time to master difficult concepts. 4. Use active learning techniques. Engage with the material actively by taking notes, summarizing, asking questions, and teaching others. Active learning enhances understanding and retention. 5. Break tasks into smaller chunks. Divide your study material into smaller, manageable portions. This prevents overwhelm and allows you to make steady progress. 6. Eliminate distractions. Find a quiet and comfortable study environment, free from distractions like social media or TV. It helps you maintain focus and concentration. 7. Take regular breaks. Studies have shown that taking short breaks during study sessions improves overall productivity and retention. Consider the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. 8. Use memory techniques. Utilize mnemonic devices, visualization, and other memory aids to enhance retention of information. 9. Practice with past papers or quizzes. Test your knowledge by solving practice questions and past exam papers. This will give you an idea of your strengths and weaknesses. 10. Stay healthy, get enough sleep, eat well, and exercise regularly. A healthy body supports a healthy mind and helps with better cognitive function. 11. Stay consistent. Regular, consistent studying is more effective than cramming all at once. Short, regular study sessions help reinforce learning. 12. Seek help when needed. If you're struggling with a concept, don't hesitate to seek help from teachers, peers, or online resources. Remember that different study techniques work better for different people, so it's essential to find what suits you best. The key is to be adaptable and open to trying new methods until you find the ones that work best for your learning style.